Hey, Gary Guth here with BagpipeLessons.net, and this is the Dundee Military Tattoo. Hey, this is a great tune. This is by A.R. McDonald. If you'd like to learn to play this tune, I'll teach it to you for $10. So all you do is push the button below, and I'm going to teach you how to read the rhythm, which is the key to learning every bagpipe tune out there. If you learn to read rhythm, you'll be free of being able to learn any tune in any book at any time. So I'm going to teach you how to play the rhythm. I've isolated some of the most difficult parts of the tune. I think the best way to learn technique is by learning a new tune. So I've isolated, I've got drills that you can do, and the drills and stuff and the rhythm will be in the videos in the package. So in the package will be a couple the score of the tune, the prep drills for the tune, the rhythm, and even an audio recording so that you can play along with it. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, but to get started, just push the button down below. I am going to be offering a lifetime membership program. It's $200 for the rest of your life, and I'm going to try to put out something like this on a weekly basis. Okay, I hope you have a great day. Let me know if I can help you become a bagpiper.